Juliet, wait.
Oh, here it comes. I'm too delicate, right?
No, I was going to say don't hold back. Let her rip.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Look at that. It's a definite improvement.